This is the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus. This is the combo vacuum and mop feature with the self-cleaning base. I just upgraded this Roomba from, I used to have one of the older ones without the self-cleaning base, and it just had seen its time. It was just time to replace it. Everything was just getting worn out. Still picked up some dirt, but nothing like this thing. This thing is phenomenal. It just does a great job. It's got the self-cleaning base right here. It just opens up. This side stores the extra trash bags, and this is the trash bag right here. So basically you see the outlet right there. So that's how high it is. It's not very high at all, and it just goes right up on the base. It just works. It's awesome. This thing keeps our floors clean. No issues with it at all. It took probably like 10 minutes to unbox it, get it on the app, but I did have the app downloaded already, and it was just very easy to use. This is what the bottom looks like right here. These are the rollers. It's got this 3 bristle thing right here. It's got this thing in the front. And then this part right here, this is the mopping feature. I haven't used this yet, but I do plan on setting it up. It just basically the trash container here that does the self-clean just pops out. Put this one in here with the mopping pad. But I haven't used it yet, but it has a lot of really good information online about it. Looks like it is a great feature, but I really like the self-cleaning base. It's rated for up to 60 days, but I heard it goes much longer depending on how dirty the floors are and how often you use it. But I just have this thing on the automation schedule where it runs every day, and no issues with it at all. It cleans itself. This is just a really great robot. So again, this is the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus combo mop and vacuum. This is a really great machine. Highly recommend this one.